Hi, hello guys, welcome to Fun Guy Name Arjun, and this week I am back with another topic, that is love marriage or arranged marriage. So love marriage best, arranged marriage best అన్నది ఈ వీక్ మన టాపిక్. సో లెట్స్ సీ పీపుల్ హైదరాబాద్ పీపుల్ ఏమనుకుంటారో, దేనికి ఓటేస్తారో చూద్దాం. లెట్స్ గో గైస్.
I prefer love marriage, arranged marriage.
Love marriage, arranged marriage.
Both? Yeah.
Two marriages.
Okay, that's fine.
Love come arranged.
Love's the girl or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage.
Love marriage or arranged marriage? Which one you prefer and why?
I'll go for love marriage.
Why?
It's like we'll know the person we are beside us actually, our partner meant to be. It's like arranged marriage is not for me.
So why you don't like arranged marriage?
It's like totally different person and we are marrying to them. It's like nah, I can't think about it.
I prefer love marriage.
You have one now?
Can we ask that?
Oh my. Uncle, you watching?
No, he's not.
I'll make sure that he'll watch it. Okay, so why you want to go for love marriage?
Because you'll know your partner, and for arranged marriage, it is like totally different person to meet and to know him. But it sucks really.
So your parents are okay with love marriages?
I guess so.
What if they say no?
Uh,
How are you gonna convince them?
it will take time, but I think I can convince them. Yeah.
Alright, so you wanna say something to your boyfriend now?
No, it's okay.
Also, you wanna say something to your father now?
No.
Arranged marriage, yes, exactly. Arranged marriage, and I will go with that because I know I can have a good choice even in the love marriages, not doubt. But more than me, I think my parents can give me better one option. I trust them, so I will go with them.
That's a good point.
Now both got fine. So which one now? Let's start the debate between you.
I'm not at all against the love marriages, but according to me, like
Boyfriend or something, then she will switch to love.
not at all right. I'm not at all going to choose anyone.
Yeah.
The thing is, yes, I trust my parents a lot. That I have that much confidence that more than me, someone, yes, Papa's girl I am. So I trust him a lot because I am alone daughter to them, and obviously they are going to search someone better for me. So I'll go with them. My things are to plan with something with my careers better than my marriage and all.
So what if somebody loves you very madly or somebody comes and proposes?
He has to challenge himself, that he has to face my parents. If he has that much guts, then obviously I will accept him.
Okay, then it will be like love marriage, right? You want it?
Yeah, it is something kind of like where parents are going to give opinions of them.
So love marriage is fine, but with the approval of your parents.
approval of my parents.
I will prefer arranged marriage.
Arranged. Why?
It's like if you got any issues within the family, that will be sorted out within the with the help of the families. That's the reason I prefer an arranged marriage. Love marriage, no one will come to you to rescue if you got in a mess. If it is in deep trouble, then it would be ended up with a divorce.
So
Rate of arranged marriages, divorce rate will be less as compared with love marriages.
So how good is it? Like how healthy it is to trust a person within very short span of time. Like basically for arranged marriage you don't have enough time, right? Like 1 or 2 months. So how good is that? How healthy is that for a relation?
I think marriages are made in heaven, not on earth. So obviously it will take time, but once the bonding is happened, then it will be automatically stayed for longer period.
So you prefer arranged marriage?
Person to person we have different type of mentalities, but coming to me, I prefer for love marriage because in the present era everyone they want to open up with everyone. If someone goes for arranged marriage, so let's take example that they don't know. So the open up may not be that good. So if we are in the according to present era, if you go for love marriage, then I think it is a good option.
So you go for a love marriage.
Depends on if I get a good girl, obviously I will be going for it.
So your parents are okay with it?
Yeah, surely. Because if they want, finally the one goal is that they want me to be happy. So if I am happy, then no issues, then they will be okay with that.
Exactly, I would say like both. It depends on the person whom you are getting to marry. That's all.
What you want, love or arrange?
Love come arrange.
Love come arrange.
Yeah.
So you have one.
No.
So you're gonna find one.
Yeah, fine.
Okay.
Sure.
Guys, single. Guys, single.
What?
I told them everybody like you're single.
What? No, are you serious? No. I'm not
kidding. You're not single.
No.
You're not single.
Huh?
You're single.
Yeah, I'm single.
You're single. That's what I'm saying. You're
Yeah,
single.
yeah,
Guys,
I'm
try.
No.
No.
I'm single.
But you don't want people to try for you.
No.
Why? You said you don't have one.
Why they have to try me?
If they want, if somebody
No.
likes you, of course.
No.
Love come arranged.
Everybody's like decided. You people, huh?
I
No,
already
we
have
have
one.
friends.
You already have one.
We have,
So your parents are okay with love marriage?
Yeah. My parents
Okay.
already know that.
You know that?
Yeah.
My God. So I don't have any questions to ask now.
Finish, you're done.
So wanna say something to your parents?
Nothing. They're fine. After 2 years, I'm going to get married.
After 2 years? Why so? After like 2 years?
Just passed out. This year I passed out my BTech.
Wow. Your parents are like so open-minded. Of
Yeah.
BTech passed out. I'm gonna get married. Yeah, take just two years of time.
Arrange marriage.
ఎందుకు ఫ్రెండ్స్ అందరం ఒకేలా వెళ్తారా?
ఎందుకంటే అరేంజ్ లవ్ సెట్ కావాలి కాబట్టి అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్. After 25, arrange is better.
What is it?
Getting all experience, all the things, all the pains.
అంటే 25కి లవ్ మ్యారేజ్కి రిలేషన్ అంటే ఆ రెండు
పడలేమంతా. అంతే.
25 తర్వాత లవ్ మ్యారేజ్ బెటర్ అంటారు.
ఇంతకుముందు మ్యూచువల్ అండర్స్టాండింగ్ ఉంటుంది లవ్ మ్యారేజ్లో అది ఇది అనుకునేవాడిని కానీ ఏడిపిచ్చేస్తారు బాస్.
యు ఆర్ మ్యారీడ్?
నో.
సో యు గోనా మ్యారీ?
ఇంత డిస్క్లోజ్ చేస్తారంటే నాట్ మ్యారీడ్, దట్స్ వై.
సో యు గోనా గెట్ మ్యారీడ్ విత్ అరేంజ్ మ్యారేజ్ చేసుకోవాలనుకుంటున్నారా? సో వాట్ ఆర్ ద అడ్వాంటేజెస్?
ఒక తెలిసి చేసుకుంటాం కదా, సో వీల్ నో ఈచ్ అదర్.
సో ఇస్ ఇట్ లవ్ కమ్ అరేంజ్ ఆర్
లవ్ కమ్ మ్యారేజ్.
సో ఎలా ఒప్పించారు ఇంట్లో ఫస్ట్?
ఎలా అంటే చెప్తే ఒప్పించాం. వాళ్ళ పేరు రెస్పాన్స్ ఇనిషియల్ ఇట్ వాజ్ నాట్ దట్ గుడ్, బట్ ఒప్పుకున్నారు తర్వాత. వాళ్ళ అబ్బాయిని కలిసిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళ పేరెంట్స్ వాళ్ళందరూ వచ్చారు.
సో ఇస్ ఇట్ ఇంటర్ క్యాస్ట్?
నో, ఇట్స్ సేమ్.
It is prepared like from paper. Okay, same caste at least.
ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్, హ్యాపెండ్.
It happened everything. Now you're happy with it.
యా, వెరీ హ్యాపీ.
So are you against arranged marriages?
ఇట్స్ నాట్ లైక్ దట్. మై సిస్టర్స్ ఇస్ అరేంజ్డ్ మ్యారేజ్, సో షీ ఈస్ ఆల్సో హ్యాపీ. తను కూడా హ్యాపీగా ఉంది. సో
So just found the right person, just get
yeah,
married.
yeah,
Doesn't matter
that's
what
marriages are made in heaven antar kada. So it happened.
So yours was made in heaven.
Yeah, obviously.
Arranged marriage.
Why so?
Parents know us from short age, no? They know what we want actually. So I think arranged marriage is preferable.
So you trust your mom and dad
Yeah.
instead of trusting somebody.
No, their wish.
Okay.
It's up to them.
So if a guy comes and proposes you, what you gonna do now?
Same, I'll ask him to go and speak to my dad and mom. If they're okay with it, I'm also okay.
If they're not okay with it?
Even I'm also not okay then. Means they know us better from small age. So they think about our goodness only. What I feel.
So if you say arranged marriage is best, okay? So arranged marriage you don't have enough time, right? It hardly you have 2 to 3 months to understand. How healthy is it?
It hardly takes 1 day to understand a person, mostly.
So I'll say something. So arranged marriage, once they are decided, they'll directly go with engagement, right? So after engagement, or you don't have much time. You may hardly have one month or 2 months. If you feel like, if you think things are not working out, what you gonna do?
Simply we'll cut it off. We'll not think about the engagement, but we'll think about the future. It's happy to be separate than to suffer in future. What we feel.
So why can't you just find somebody, before, love somebody, you understand?
Okay, no problem. But till now I didn't meet someone like that.
Okay, you're single.
Yeah.
Okay, I get your number.
I'll give you my father's number.
Love marriage, arranged marriage.
Both, yes.
2 marriages.
Okay, that's fine.
Wow. Uncle and auntie 2 marriages.
They are not,
संभालना जा रहा है आजकल.
though they are not used internet also. That's okay. 3 marriages also. One more is will give me option.
I pray to God somebody watch this and take to your mom and dad and show that.
Okay, that's no problem.
Why you want 2 marriages?
It's okay if I get love.
then I will do love marriage.
Then you get arranged, just get married.
Yes, that's fine.
Is it okay?
Yes,
You can manage too.
yes, yes,
Think about it.
yes.
Okay. So which one you want? Like from north or from south? Any preference?
From north,
One from north and one
from US.
from US. अच्छा green card मिल जाए फिर चले जाओ वहाँ.
Okay, that will won't be problem.
So now you're single.
50-50.
Triple.
50-50.
Single or double or triple?
50-50.
50-50. Oh many. So you look like a playboy, huh?
No,
No. Not disclosing anything.
confidential. It should be confidential.
Confidential. So which one you prefer, love marriage or arranged marriage?
Arranged marriage
Why?
because you have the confirmation from the family, everything is sorted, and I'll rather say love come arranged or arranged come love.
Wow.
That is the new concept that is now.
So why you're not okay with love marriages?
It's not that I'm not okay with love marriage. I'll prefer arranged marriage over love marriage. That's it.
So if somebody comes and proposes, what you're gonna do?
I'll ask my parents. No, obviously I'll have a look into it, but it's at
I think first get in love, then marry.
So you prefer love marriage?
I prefer not love marriage. First, as I told you, first get in love with some girl, then get the permission from the parents, and then get married. That's the very simple funda. Now people are doing these type of things only.
So you're saying love come arrange.
Yeah, love come arrange is preferred.
So you're single now?
Yeah, I'm single.
Love come arrange. We have to stay with that person 70 years, right? Rest of life. So it's better to understand the person before getting married. So I prefer love come arrange.
But that like people are like, just call it love marriage. Don't say it love come arranged. Anyway, it's going to be arranged after the marriage. Like people are just using love come arrange. It's a convincing answer. That's not.
Anyways, get approval from parents, right? So it's not pure love marriage and it's not pure arranged marriage. Love come arranged marriage. So I would say it's a love come arranged marriage.
So you're single now?
Yes.
Why all your friends are why single? No, you guys are lying.
No. I'm single. I swear on him, I'm single.
You swear on him and say. Alright guys, if you guys are watching this video, like it, comment it and share it. And don't forget to subscribe our channel LOL. Lots of lifestyle guys. Alright, see you for another weekend and this is Arjun signing off. Bye bye.